What up guys, welcome to another video. Today we are prepping the STi for getting wrapped. I'm really stoked. We got the garage all cleaned up. We got our material right here. We got a little secret right there. Got the new drift wheels right here. Garage is looking good right now and it makes me really happy. So to start today's video off, we are starting with removing the wing, which isn't too bad. And then we got to pull the door handles off and the tail lights. And then I'm gonna wait to do the front bumper at the wrap shop once we're there, and then we can clean it once we're there with rubbing alcohol and get it prepped for wrapping it. So let's start with this wing. Opening the hatch, I've got my little tool for plastic clips right here. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to one of these if you guys don't have one. There is some clips on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them off gently. The great thing about this tool is you don't break your plastic clips like you would with a flathead screwdriver, so you can totally reuse them. Not saying that flathead screwdrivers are impossible to use, but I always end up breaking at least one or two in the install or reinstall process. Alright, got our cover off. On each side of the wing you'll have two nuts we need to loosen here, and this rubber little cover right here I'm gonna press in and pull out with a flathead screwdriver. This guy, you might destroy it in the process, be careful. Now we have access to all three nuts. Each nut is 10 millimeter. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen them but not back them off all the way, because if you think about it, you want those nuts to fall out and not into the trunk area. So I'm going to go ahead and put the trunk like this, stick my socket in here, and loosen it by hand so those nuts don't get lost. Alright, that's definitely loose now. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Alright, Tanner figured out that there's 3 retaining clips, and he got that side out already. But the other side,
it did take some force. It is kind of scary. Can you grab that other side?
yes.
I don't want it to pop up and then gouge something.
Ooh, gosh. Oh.
These guys.
You'll see this clip, and this clip. They don't break, but you can actually pull them out and replace them if you wanted to. It has all these seals right here for water and such, but don't be scared, just yank on it. When I used to pop the trunk with the wing on it, it didn't really move much. Watch this. Now it whips up way fast, so be aware. It's probably not the best thing for your hinges, but it's built for it. Jeez. Just about to go pick the kids up from soccer practice or something. There's actually 6 massive holes, so if you want to go wingless, probably should just buy a new trunk.
Yeah. It's got rubber grommets where the bolts go through too.
Oh, nice. Just gonna take some rubbing alcohol that we're gonna use when we wrap it anyways and just clean it now. That's odd. Makes the tip way more ricey. Interesting look. Definitely not used to that. Wing, cover, wing bag with all the bolts. These are the 3 pieces. I'm not going to lose anything. That's it for today's video. It's just like an old school one, how I started this YouTube channel, just doing tutorials, installs, taking things apart, stuff like that. So it's gonna be a quick one today. Thank you guys for stopping by. If you want to see version 2 of the Subaru, check out Hot Import Nights June 8th in Westworld in Scottsdale, Arizona. It's gonna be a lit car show. It's probably the biggest JDM car show of the year, I've been told, in Phoenix. I haven't been to it yet before, but it should be pretty big. The car's gonna be at Superior Image Car Care booth. So come check it out. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.